Hi friends, so today we are going to learn is easy way to multiply with 12 to 19. Okay, so how to multiply with easy ways to 12 to 19. In the previous videos we have done how to multiply with 11. So in this video we are going to learn is how to multiply with 12 to 19. Now for example, I have taken a random number. Okay, now 4, 8, 7, 9, 2. Okay, multiply by 12. Now taken this number, I have randomly taken this number. Now students, suppose many of the students get confused with the multiplications. Many of the time they write the wrong answer, or they might forget the multiplication numbers. So how to remember, that is 12 to 19 multiplication, if you're knowing, well and good, but those students who find it difficult to remember the tables, for them this can be the easiest way. Now for example, you have this digit. I'm telling this method for those wherein this first digit will be more than 2 digits. Okay, if it's only 2 digits, you can directly multiply, no issues, but here you can see that there is more than 2 digits. So how to multiply? Now see, now here in 12, what is the units place? Units place is 2. Now with this 2, you're going to multiply 2. 2 2s are. For this, before that, what you need to do is put 2 dots here and 2 dots here. Okay, now what this dot represents 0. Okay, this dot represents 0. Now what you need to do is you need to multiply this. Now consider 2 plus 0. Consider this dot as 0. 2 plus 0 is what? 2. Now 2 2s are 4. Multiply with the units place. 2 2s are 4. So write it here, 4. Now then multiply this. 9 2s are 9 1s are 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 2, this number. 18 plus 2 is going to give you 20. So write 0 here. Only 0, okay? Only write 0 here. Then 2 carry forward here. In between you can write here. Now 7. 7 2s are 14. Now 14 plus 2, the carry forward number. 15, 16. Right? 16. Now 16 plus 9 is going to give you how much? 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Yes or no? So this is 25. So 2 carry forward here. Now again 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 2, 18. 18 plus 7, 18 plus 7, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Yes or no? So here we have 2, 25 here, the 2 will carry forward. Now right here 2. Now 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 8, 8 plus 8 is how much? 16. 16 plus 2, 18. So just write 8 only, don't write 18. Again here 1 carry forward. Okay, now as they say, now this 0 is there here also. Now with this 0, what you need to do is 4 plus 0 is going to give you 4. Now 4 plus 1, 5. This will be the answer of this. You can check with the calculator whether this answer is right or not. Next, one more example we are going to take, which is 7 9 4 4 2 8 multiply by, suppose imagine 15. Okay, previously we have taken 12, now we are taking 15. Take the units place. Now put dot in front of the first digit and at the last of the last digit. Okay, dot represents 0. 5 8s are 40. Yes, 8 plus 0, this first take this dot. 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 5 8s are 40. Write 0. Now write here 4 carry forward. Now again 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 8 18. 18 plus 4 how much? 22. So it's 22. Then 2 carry forward. Now 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2, 22. 22 plus 2, 24. So write here 4, 2 carry forward. Now 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 4, 49. 49 plus 2, 51. So 5 carry forward. Now 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 5 is 40. 40 plus 9, 49. So write here 9 and 4 carry forward. Now add this 7 with the 0. 7 plus 0, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. So you have got this answer 1191420. Yes or no? If you check the calculator, you will find this as the answer. Units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So it is 11,91,420. Easy way. This is the same way you have to multiply with 16, 17, 18, 19. So from 12 to 19, you can use this particular method. I hope it's clear to everyone. So this is the way how you're going to multiply as you have done this 12 and as you have done with this 15. This is the way how you're going to multiply with 12 to 19, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Till there, whatever multiplication is there, 12 to 19, you can use this particular method if you have digits more than 2 to calculate. I hope it's understandable to all and everyone have understood is what I think so. Thank you so much for watching it. Hope to provide you with interesting quick maths methods in the next video too. Until and unless, meet you next time. It's me Reshma signing off. Bye.